Welcome to ConvergenceTP. This video is one of a series of videos that CTP is making which shows the benefits and features of connecting IP appliances to VMS systems. This video will address how a license plate recognition system can be integrated with a VMS system by using the ConvergenceTP event streaming engine. I'll also show how to search the database to find specific license plates based on keywords used in the alert message and retrieve both the alert message and its associated video. Over the past several years, we've experienced an increase in IP appliance technology, as well as a major shift in IP video from its predecessor, analog video. The two systems shown here, IP appliances on the left, in which the license plate recognition system is one of them, and VMS systems on the right, were considered to be disparate systems, and thus they did not communicate with each other at all. This is not until ConvergenceTP developed the event streaming engine, which provides a seamless integration between the two disciplines. The IP appliances on the left provide alert messages when an event occurs. The messages contain both text and images. The alert is sent out as a TCP/IP packet over the network. In the middle of the page is a ConvergenceTP event streaming engine which monitors traffic on the network and looks for these alerts, and when it detects them, it converts them into a video stream and forwards the video stream to the VMS system on the right. The VMS system treats this video stream as a camera input and is displayed side by side with other video. For an LPR capture, this is what the ONSSI Ocularis client view would look like. It shows a surveillance video and the alert message. It's a 2x2 screenshot. 3 of the panes are surveillance video and 1 pane in the upper right quadrant is the alert message. The content of information in the alert is supplied by the LPR manufacturer, in this case INEX Samir. Now ask yourself, what if you weren't watching the monitor when an event took place? Would you be able to find the event, and not only the event but its associated video? This is where the ConvergenceTP hypermedia search engine comes into play. It allows you to search the database for keywords used in the alert message and bring back the alert message and its associated video. Let's look at the hypermedia search engine. I'm going to go ahead and change screens right here. This is the hypermedia search engine login page on the left and the ConvergenceTP video browser on the right. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Notice upon login you're asked to select the search type. There's several to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and pick the license plate recognition. The first order of business is to set up a range of dates. I'm going to select May 1st. The hours will be selected here, the minutes from the start. Also the end dates. This one's shown as May 31st. I'm going to leave that as May 31st and the times. Next, I'll go ahead and hit the search button. As we can see, there's a few events, a few captures were taken during that period of time. And also there's a few buttons on the screen here. Let me explain what they do. The expand button shows the actual data format that's used in the capture. This is the information that the event streaming engine used to capture the video stream for the VMS system. It's also used by the hypermedia search engine to search on keywords. Any keyword in the alert message can be set up and used in the search engine. The search tool also shows a thumbnail view of the alert shown on the left here. This is a rendering of the alert message data. Clip this. We also have a show cameras. When I click on that, that retrieves the information from the recording server, and it's shown over here on the CTP video browser on the right hand side. This is the rendering of the alert message shown here on the upper right. The other 3 videos are the surveillance video. Next, let's use the hypermedia search engine to find a license plate and its associated video. This in turn will show the vehicle and the alert message. We're going to start by searching on just a few numbers from the license plate. A few qualifiers need to be defined. We can do that by using the drop-down menu over here. The drop-down menu here was set up for 3 keywords, although any number of keywords found in the alert message can be set up and used in the search. Let's look for a plate that contains the number 5. Let's add another variable, search variable on that, and we'll say the lane name equal to, let's say lane 2. Let's add a third variable. Let's add another plate number. Say the plate number contains a 0. Those 3 variables, let's go ahead and do a search. Looks like we've got two plates that have a 5 and a 0 in lane 2. Let me add another line to the variables. Let's say the plate number also contained a W. Okay, with that we can go ahead and hit a search. Now we've got two numbers. Actually, the plate numbers are the same, 6, 0, and 7. Going to go ahead and identify that vehicle as, let me click on the show cameras. Over here on the right hand side, this information is being retrieved from the recording server. A 5, a 0, a W, lane 2. It's a blue two-door hatchback. Now other parameters can be searched on in the drop-down menu, such as lane numbers or any other metrics that were in the packet. They too could be added to the drop-down menu and searched. The hypermedia search engine does not create content. It only searches on keywords in the packet. I'd like to mention at this time there's another feature in the event streaming engine. It's called the back office recording mode, and it operates by recording events when they occur but does not display the video in real time. This can be a huge savings if you have hundreds of events taking place at the same time where you may not need to view the events as they're happening. If you did have a need to view all the events simultaneously, then you would need a DLK for each event, and that could be costly. But if you only need to look at a few selected events, you only need the minimum number of DLKs, which is 1. And if you need to view a few events simultaneously, you would need only a few DLKs. Not having to display the recorded video in real time can save you the cost of a DLK. The back office uses the same hypermedia search engine tool to locate recorded events as is shown here with the license plate recognition. The thumbnail views shown on the left-hand side of the screen do not require DLKs to do the search. However, a DLK is required only when the camera recordings associated with the event are retrieved from the recording server and are displayed side by side with the alert, just like we're showing here with the LPR. We'll have a separate video on the event streaming engine back office later in this series. As you can see, the hypermedia search engine becomes a very powerful search tool for finding video associated with an event just by searching on keywords in the alert. If this technology piques your interest, I would suggest you visit our website at c2p.com to learn more about the LPR product as well as other CTP products, and don't forget to check out our other videos in this series. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.